What if I told you that Las Vegas is one of the best cities in the world to explore alone? Stick with me, man, and I'll show you how to turn your solo trip into an unforgettable adventure. Welcome back to Jet Set Joy, your go-to channel for all things travel, adventure, and solo explorations. Whether you're here for the glitz, the glam, or just the good times, I'm here to tell you that Vegas is the perfect playground for solo travelers. So buckle up, because today we're diving into the top things to do in Vegas. Solo style. First up, let's talk about the iconic Las Vegas Strip. And no, you don't need a group to enjoy it. Walking the Strip solo is one of the best ways to take in the electric energy of the city at your own pace. Start your journey at the northern end and work your way down. Trust me, with so many unique hotels and attractions, you can easily spend an entire day just exploring. Imagine this. You start at Resorts World, one of the newest additions to the Strip. From there, you can wander into the Venetian, where you can even take a solo gondola ride. Indoors. As you make your way to Caesar's Palace, don't forget to stop by the Grand Canal shop for some high-end window shopping. By the time you reach Caesar's, you'll probably be ready for a break. And guess what? That solo meal at a top-notch restaurant you've been dreaming about? Now's the perfect time. Want to dive deeper into the history and hidden gems of Vegas? Consider joining a guided walking tour. These tours are a fantastic way to see the sights while learning fascinating stories from a local guide. And here's the best part. No need to worry about making conversation unless you want to. You can choose to engage with your fellow tourmates or just soak in the information. Most tours cover popular spots like Fremont Street and various themed hotels, giving you a broad view of what Vegas has to offer. It's like having your personal tour guide while still enjoying the independence of solo travel. Okay, foodies, this one's for you. Las Vegas is bursting with culinary delights, and going on a foodie tour is the perfect way to taste your way through the city. From secret food spots to high-end dining, these tours will have your taste buds dancing. Imagine hopping from one eatery to another, sampling the best bites Vegas has to offer, and you don't even have to share. A must-try is the Secret Food Tours Las Vegas for a mix of well-known and hidden gems, or the Downtown Vegas Sightseeing and Foodie Tour for something a bit more off the beaten path. By the end, you'll have discovered some of the city's best-kept culinary secrets, all while enjoying the freedom that solo travel offers. Next up, let's talk about something out of this world, literally, the Fiat. The Venetian is an immersive experience that will blow your mind. Picture this, a 360-degree avatar capture, holographic installations, and a jaw-dropping 2-hour cinematic experience. The Sphere is designed to transport you to new worlds, all without leaving your seat. And the best part, you don't need anyone to tag along. This is an experience that speaks for itself. And trust me, you'll be so captivated that you won't even notice you're alone. If you're into all things quirky and creative, then Area 15 is your playground. This immersive art and entertainment complex is packed with mind-bending exhibits, virtual reality experiences, and unique art installations. The best part about exploring Area 15 solo, you can dive into each exhibit at your own pace, fully immersing yourself in the experience without any distractions, whether you're stepping into the surreal world of Omega Mart or getting lost in the trippy visuals of Meow Wolf's interactive art. Area 15 is the kind of place where solo exploration truly shines. Las Vegas is known for its spectacular shows, and guess what? They're just as enjoyable when you're flying solo. Whether it's the mystical awakening at Wynn Las Vegas, the quirky and edgy Absinthe at Caesar's Palace, or the mind-bending magic of Penn and Teller, these shows are so captivating that you won't even have time to think about being alone. Just sit back, relax, and let the magic of Vegas entertainment sweep you off your feet. Looking for a break from the city lights? A guided tour of the Grand Canyon is the perfect solo day trip. Imagine stepping away from the hustle and bustle of Vegas to explore one of the most breathtaking natural wonders in the world. Many tours include stops at the Hoover Dam and Route 66, adding even more adventure to your journey. And if you're feeling extra adventurous, why not opt for a scenic helicopter ride over the canyon? It's a once-in-a-lifetime experience that's even more special when you have the freedom to take it all in on your own. For a more local vibe, leave the Strip behind and head to the Arts District. This up-and-coming neighborhood is packed with art galleries, vintage shops, craft breweries, and trendy cafes. It's the perfect place to get lost in creativity and discover a different side of Vegas. Start your day with a coffee at Vesta Coffee Roasters, browse through the unique antiques at Main Street Peddlers, and wrap up your afternoon with a slice of pizza at Good Pie. And if you happen to be here on the first Friday of the month, don't miss the First Friday Art Walk, a vibrant showcase of local talent. Outdoor enthusiasts, this one's for you. Just a short drive from the Strip, Red Rock Canyon offers a stunning escape into nature. Whether you're an experienced hiker or just looking for a scenic drive, this area has something for everyone. The hiking trails range from easy to challenging, so you can choose the perfect adventure for your solo day out. With its vibrant red rock formations and panoramic views, Red Rock Canyon is a must-see for anyone looking to connect with nature during their Vegas trip. Now let me take you to a hidden spot that most people ignore during their Vegas trip, Valley of Fire State Park. A little further out from Vegas, this park is a hidden gem that's well worth the trip. Known for its fiery red sandstone formations and ancient petroglyphs, the Valley of Fire offers some of the most stunning natural scenery you'll find in the region. For a truly unforgettable experience, hike the Fire Wave, White Domes, and Seven Wonders Loop. The landscapes here are so breathtaking, you'll feel like you've stepped into another world. Now, have you ever wondered where the old Vegas neon signs go to retire? The Neon Boneyard at the Neon Museum is where you'll find them. This outdoor gallery is home to hundreds of vintage signs from Vegas's past, each with its own story to tell. It's like taking a step back in time to the city's golden era. A guided tour will give you all the juicy details behind these iconic signs. But even if you go solo, you can still appreciate the artistry and history on display. And don't miss the night tour when the signs are illuminated. It's a sight to behold. Want to see Las Vegas from a whole new perspective? Take a spin on the High Roller Observation Wheel. Soaring at 550 feet, it's the tallest observation wheel in the world. Imagine yourself in a spacious, climate-controlled cabin, gazing out at the twinkling lights of the Strip and the vast desert landscape stretching beyond. Whether it's day or night, the panoramic views are nothing short of spectacular. And the best part, you can savor this incredible experience at your own pace, soaking in the breathtaking sights and capturing the perfect solo adventure photo. You know what's more, you deserve traveling alone, pampering yourself at one of Las Vegas's world-renowned luxury spas. Picture yourself unwinding in an oasis of tranquility, away from the city's whirlwind. From rejuvenating massages to invigorating facials, these spas offer a perfect retreat for solo travelers. Imagine indulging in a soothing spa treatment, lounging in a serene sauna, or enjoying a refreshing dip in a private pool. It's your personal haven to relax, recharge, and enjoy a blissful escape from the hustle and bustle of Vegas. Ever dreamed of gazing at the stars in the middle of the desert? Join a star party hosted by the Las Vegas Astronomical Society. These events are held at remote locations away from city lights, where you can marvel at the night sky through powerful telescopes. Picture yourself under a canopy of stars, discovering constellations and cosmic wonders with the guidance of passionate astronomers. It's a tranquil, awe-inspiring experience that offers a peaceful break from the city's excitement and a chance to connect with the universe. And there you have it, Jet Setters, an epic solo adventure in Las Vegas. Whether you're soaking up the neon lights on the Strip, diving into immersive experiences, or finding peace in nature, Vegas has something for every solo traveler. Remember, solo travel is all about embracing the freedom to explore at your own pace and discovering new experiences just for you. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more travel tips, guides, and adventures. And as always, stay curious, stay adventurous, and keep finding joy in every journey. Until next time, this is Jet Set Joy signing off.